Moving on now to India Today exclusive, which is on how once again black money is turning to white. And this is a report that India Today has been able to unearth, that how even railway officials have been indulging in the malpractice. FIR has been lodged right now on how railway officials are indulging in malpractice. The news that is unearthed by India Today. First, it's an India Today investigation where you have the railway officials caught in the net to convert black money into white. Getting you more details. After a big cash exchange racket was exposed with a top railway official under scrutiny, India Today has now accessed copy of the FIR filed by CBI and the railway exchange scam. The FIR copy gets inside details of the entire money exchange and how the scam was brought out in the public domain. The copy states that the whistleblower in the entire case is a woman chief cashier. Going across to my colleague Saurabh, who's joining us on this case. Saurabh, give us more details of how raids were conducted across many stations. Train cashiers are also under cloud.
Devina, we actually broke this story with the first exclusive letter of Vigilance Department, which clearly mentioned that high level of huge amount of money was being exchanged and money was converted from black to white. After which CBI had registered a case against assistant commercial manager, which is a very big post in the railway, and a case is registered where he used to exchange money. And now we have access to the exclusive CBI FIR copy in which blow by blow account is given in how the money was being exchanged. In the FIR copy, it's been stated that on 8th of November, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had given the decision of demonetization, and the very next day, that is the 9th November, this top railway official started converting black to white. He started converting money exchanging. He started with a very less amount for the first. On the 9th of November, he exchanged around 5,000 rupees. Later, he started exchanging 50,000, then 1 lakh, then 2 lakh each day. And this is how the whole and the investigation in this part was done by a woman cashier posted at the CST railway station, who brought and made a proper 2 reports in this case, after which CBI filed an FIR against the senior ACM. Also very interesting part is that the railway official clearly took an advantage that 500 and 1,000 rupee were operating in the Indian Railway, and this is how they converted black money into white. And other shocking revelation in this investigation was that, and also mentioned in the FIR, that many 2,000 rupees were coming in the cash counters, but this 2,000 rupees were never been deposited in the Indian Railway Bank. And this is how the whole scam, you can imagine, it's a multi-crore scam going on.
Absolutely, Saurabh. Absolutely, Saurabh. Thanks for getting us those details. We'll continue tracking it.